In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a Bluetooth speaker to your PS5 Pro. So maybe you have tried connecting it directly using Bluetooth on your PS5 Pro and it's not working. So let me just put it into pairing mode. So whenever you try to connect it using Bluetooth on your PS5, it will no longer work. So go to settings, and then within the settings, select accessories, select general, and choose Bluetooth accessories. And then from here, there is my speaker. All I have to do is select it. And then if I select it and try to pair with it, it should give me this error. Now there's a workaround that you can use so that you can connect your speaker, any Bluetooth speaker, to your PS5 Pro. So this involves using a Bluetooth transmitter. So I have this Bluetooth transmitter from Skull & Co. So I'll link it down in the description below. So all you have to do is connect this Bluetooth transmitter to your PS5 Pro. So once you connect it, you should see it lighting. So the next thing you need to do is put your Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode. So depending on the speaker that you have, simply put it into pairing mode. So for this one, I just have to press the Bluetooth button. So select that and it's in pairing mode. Now on the audio stick, there should be some buttons here. So also press and hold for about 2 seconds until you see the light blinking rapidly. And now you can allow the Bluetooth transmitter to successfully connect to your Bluetooth speaker. So give it a few seconds for the connection to be established. Now, once the connection has been established, you may notice that the light in the Bluetooth transmitter and the Bluetooth speaker have connected successfully. And then now, all you have to do is now go at home on your PS5 and then find the sound settings. So here it is, select it, and then now the output device will be now your Bluetooth speaker. So that's basically it on how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you on the next one.